we back again. And as you can see, another wig. I absolutely love this box. That's the first thing that I will say. I love the packaging. I love the branding. This is one of the first times where I see that the packaging is the same as what the influencers get. I'm already happy. Let's open her up and see what we get. Yes, I bought this with my own money. This is not sponsored whatsoever. I wanted to give an honest and full review from a consumer side so that people aren't fooled by what they see by these influencers. Okay, this is what came with it. Obviously a duster bag, got a pair of lashes, one of these, a lace band, edge brush, and a melt band. I bought a 24-inch kinky curly wig that is colored. This is the advertisement on the website. I spent $154.33. Here are the deets. It is a wear and go glueless wig, kinky curly, highlights 4x27, 180 density, 7x5 transparent lace, human hair. So let's open her up and see what we gonna get out the packaging. Not bad so far. It doesn't really have a smell. It smells like it had been washed. Yeah, it smells like products. You got the paper to hold it all together with clips. Now we are all ready to put her on. It's decent. Like the color is, I don't know how I feel about the color on my skin tone, but it is a decent wig so far. Obviously the lace is light skin, so I do have to do some manipulating to get it to my brown color. It's long. I don't really feel the need to measure it because it is really given 24-inch. For it to be curly, it's still given long. I believe it is what it's supposed to be. My first impression in unboxing, I would give this wig a 8 out of 10. I'll give it an 8 out of 10 because it gives what it said it's gonna give. It's 7x5, it's transparent, so we already knew that the lace would be a little bit light skin, but the lace is very thin, it is pre-cut. Once I put my brown lace tint, I do believe that it will blend nice. The length is given what it said it's going to give. It is kinky curly hair, as I have worn kinky curly in the past, but just, you know, brown color. And it feels good. So this is my first impressions and unboxing of this curly me hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for part 2, where I'm going to install this wig and jazz it up a bit and form it to make it look good on me. See you in part 2. Bye.